Hey guys, check out this must-have tool for home and automotive projects. It's a Borescope camera with 5-inch display from Teslong brand. Has a 5-foot semi-rigid gooseneck cable. The tip articulates left and right 180 degrees for maximum inspection. This device is waterproof and comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card, so you could record your inspections. This Borescope can be used right out of the box. No app is required to run it. It is easy to operate with just one hand. Camera light provides a great picture, as you can see in this video recorded by this device. Homeowners and home professionals will find this camera a great addition to their toolbox.